No show o hindi dumalo sa preliminary investigation kahapon sa Department of Justice o DOJ si Senator Joel Villanueva kaugnay ng reklamong malversation sa flood control project sa Bulacan. Ayon kay DOJ spokesperson Attorney Polo Martinez, humingi si Villanueva ng palugit para magsumite ng kanyang kontra sa laysay. Inaprobahan naman ng panel of prosecutors ang hiling ng mambabatas. Kabilang sa kapwa respondent ni Villanueva ang mga dating Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH officials na sina Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez at JP Mendoza.
And Senator Joel Villanueva filed a motion for extension asking and requesting the panel of prosecutors to be given until January 26 to file his counter affidavit, which the panel of prosecutors granted